Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Hunter, and this video I'm going to tell you how I grew from $0 in my electronic business all the way to $8,700 per month just in last October and the recent months for my business. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to show you actual proof and ways that I did this, and that way it can help you grow your business. Okay, so I'll actually show you the overall numbers. And as you guys know, I do these YouTube videos to help you guys grow your business, just like I grew my electronic business. Um, so that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So that way you guys can use strategies I've used, and it's going to help your business as well. Okay, so let's get into the video. So let's go to my numbers here. So with the electronic business, it's buy low, sell high. So with your business, it would be the same way. You would track everything. It would just be a little different tracking wise. You would still track your closing percent here, and then you would also track your sales and your profit, and then subtract your expenses, and then you would just get your net profit overall. Okay. And then ROAS, what they call it, it's return on ad spend. So the ROAS is super high because I only spent $850 on Facebook ads this month. So October of 2022, which is what I'm showing you because it was the highest month of the year. By the way, I do all this on the side. I don't actually do this full time for the electronic business. Just to let you know, that's why I'm hitting numbers like 8,700 and not like 15,000 or 20,000, because I am in school right now. And I have the YouTube channel as well. So with all that combined, that's kind of how it goes. So basically, I'm going to show you. So all my numbers here, this profit column. So I made 4,500 iPhones alone. MacBooks I made a ton. And then other stuff, I made a bunch of money as well. I actually track my repeat profit. So if you guys actually track your repeat profit, how much of your money and profit each month is from repeats compared to new customers. Mine was 45% and 55% on average. So that's something to track as well, because you guys want to build your repeat people up. That way, when you have enough repeat customers, let's say all my new customers, let's say I wasn't able to get new customers for some reason, my Facebook gets hacked, which just happened last month, or my Google gets shut down by Google. If that were to happen, you would have a repeat customer list, and you would be able to survive off your repeat customers alone, just because how much money repeat customers make. So for each sale, I actually have my virtual assistant. I don't do this myself, but my virtual assistant will go in here and he'll input the cost, the profit, and the sales for each item. So that's what you want to style yours as well. So you want to enter the cost and everything of each item. Okay. So, and then he also highlights it green. So if it's bright green, that means that was a huge sale. So you guys need to know the 80-20 rule. So 20% of your profit will come from 20% of your sales will be most of your profit for the month. So those items that I got that were bright green, I made a lot of money on, were most of my profit. They weren't all my profit, but 80% of my profit was probably from just those items alone. The other 20% was from lower items, which I still buy because they make money. It's just not as profitable. Okay. So that's just a little so hopefully, everything I'm teaching you guys in this video is just helping you to implement in your business, because if you guys implement exactly this spreadsheet in your business, it's going to help you guys, grow your business. Okay. So you want to be tracking all this stuff in your business. If you're not tracking this stuff, then you basically just have no, like, you don't even know what you're doing basically. Because if you don't know the numbers, you can't see, can I increase ad spend, or is my closing rate off, or are we not getting enough repeat business? There could be any one of those issues in your business. If you're not tracking it, we really don't know what's wrong with your business unless you track those items specifically. So that's just about what I wanted to show you guys, and how I made $8,700 in the month of October 2022. So anyways, guys, I am going to end the video on that. Hopefully it helped you guys. And my $7 and Accelerator programs are down below, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So I will see you guys